Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today we're taking a look at SPanel.io, a handy web clipper designed specifically for Roam research. If you're a dedicated Roam user, you understand the constant quest for efficient ways to capture information and integrate it seamlessly into your digital garden. SPanel.io presents itself as a solution to this challenge, offering a streamlined approach to clipping content directly into your Roam database. While numerous web clippers exist, SPanel.io differentiates itself through features tailored explicitly for the Roam environment. This includes smart processing of web content, the ability to add custom tags and attributes directly during the clipping process, and a straightforward interface aimed at minimizing friction in your workflow. One of the most appealing aspects of SPanel.io is its capacity to not just capture the main content of a web page, but also to retain crucial metadata, such as the original URL and clipping date. This feature significantly enhances the research capabilities within Roam, allowing for easy referencing and backlinking. For users concerned about privacy, SPanel.io operates entirely client-side, meaning your clip data isn't stored on their servers, providing an extra layer of security. Setting up SPanel.io is remarkably simple. The process involves a quick installation of the browser extension and a brief authentication with your Roam graph. Once configured, clipping content becomes a matter of a few clicks. You can choose to capture the entire page, selected text, or even specific elements, giving you granular control over the information you bring into your Roam database. Beyond the core clipping functionality, SPanel.io offers additional features like the option to customize the formatting of your clipped content. This allows you to maintain consistency within your Roam graph and ensures that clipped content integrates smoothly with your existing notes. Furthermore, the developers behind SPanel.io are actively engaged with the Roam community, constantly refining the tool and incorporating user feedback, indicating a commitment to ongoing improvement and a dedication to meeting the evolving needs of Roam users. If you're looking to optimize your Roam workflow and enhance your information capture process, SPanel.io is definitely worth exploring. It presents a compelling solution for seamlessly integrating web content into your Roam graph, making it a valuable addition to any Roam enthusiast's toolkit.